Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have been looking for a super easy to use video editing app for your phone, then you have probably heard of InShot. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about how to use video editor on InShot. From importing your videos to editing, adding music and exporting, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, download the InShot app from your App Store or Google Play Store and then open it. To get started, tap on Video to create a new project. This will open your phone's gallery where you can select the video you want to edit. Now pick one video that you want to edit. Now that your video is in the timeline, let's start editing. At the bottom, you will see a toolbar with several icons. The first one we will focus on is Trim. Tap on Trim to cut the beginning or end your video, just like this. And if you want to remove any unwanted parts in the middle of the video, then tap on to the Split button. This will allow you to split the video into multiple parts, so you can delete or rearrange them. Here you can also change the speed of the video. Tap on to Speed and you can change it to slower or faster like this. You can also crop the video and fit into the ratio however you want it to add. Here you can find a lot of ratios. And you can also crop the video according to your preference, just like this. Next, you can also add filters to your videos. Tap on to the filter option, which is right here, and then tap on to the filter option. Now here are a lot of filters that you can edit. Next, here you can see the option of effect. Tap on it. Here you can find a lot of effects that can be added to your video according to your preference. Next, you can also decrease or increase the volume of the video. Tap on to the audio option. Here you can tap on to the track itself. Now you can edit the audio yourself. Now let's add some music. Tap on the music icon right here. You can either choose a song from InShot's built-in library or tap on My Music to add a song from your phone. Now tap on to the text option, and from here you can add the text, captions and stickers, and also can doodle to your videos. Next, to transition for the video, you can simply see there is a transition option and tap on to the pencil icon, just like this. From here you can add a lot of transitions to change for the video that comes next. To change the background of the video, simply go on to the canvas option, and from here you can change the ratio and background of the video. Tap on to the background option, and here you can find a lot of background that you can add. Here is the option of blur effect and the color effect, and also you can add the gradient effect, and also there is the aesthetic and pattern effects for the videos that you want to add. After editing the video, tap on to the share button to save the video, which is right here. Now from here you can change the resolution, frame rate and the format of the video however you want to change it. After selecting all of this, simply tap on to save. And that's it. Now you know how to use the video editor tools to edit the videos on InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.